our names are Oren,
Julia,
Natalie, and Lorian.
You'll need Math Masters, page 2A18 for this lesson.
Lesson 2.11. In your math notebook, draw two four-sided polygons, one with 4 right angles and one with at least one acute angle.
Diagram and put one polygon on one side and the other polygon on the other side.
Then put the attractives/properties that they attributes slash properties that they share in the center section.
Pause this video to make your attributes. Change your attributes to ours, but this is what we hope you have. Okay, now go. Okay.
Now use the Math Masters page TA18. Sort them based on the attributes/properties that they share. Pause the video, please. Please sort them based on angles.
We're going to give you some letters in different groups, and you're going to try to figure out what these groups are sorted by. Group 1 is A, B, D, H, K, and N.
Hold on.
Is F, I, L, and J.
Group 3 is C, G, and M.
Guess what these groups are sorted by?
Oh, the attributes that we sorted the groups by were right angles. So, group 1, as we said, was A, B, D, H, K, and N. These polygons have no right angles.
Group 2, as we said, was F, I, L, and J. These polygons have 4 right angles.
Group 3, which, as we said, were C, was polygons C, G, and M. These polygons have exactly 2 right angles.
Now you can do page
59.
59 in your math journal.
Okay. A couple rules are all quadrilaterals must be put in a group.
There is already one quadrilateral in each group.
No quadrilateral should fit in more than one group.
1.
Don't check our answers until you finished the slide, the home link.
Please don't look at our answers. And now pause the video and do the journal page. And remember, don't stop doing the journal pages until you get the lesson.
And then come back whenever you're ready. Here are the math page answers. Okay, Team Kelly. Here are the math page answers. So group 1 was A, L, I, N, F, J, O, K.
Okay.
Group 2 was H, M, and D. Group 3 was E, B, G, P, and C. So, question B was all of the quadrilaterals in group 1 have what property in common? And the correct answer for that is 2 pairs of parallel sides. For problem C, the question was all of the quadrilaterals in group 2 have this property in common. And the correct answer for that is 1 pair of parallel sides. For question D, the question was all of the quadrilaterals in group 3 have this property in common. And the correct answer for that is they have no parallel sides. So for problem 2, the question was, in which of your groups does quadrilateral X belong? The correct answer for that is group 2. And the explanation is that it has one pair of parallel sides similar to the rest of them in group 2.
Write this in your notebook. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has at least one pair of parallel sides.
Which quadrilaterals are trapezoids?
And write this. A kite is a quadrilateral that has two separate adjacent pairs of equal length sides. Adjacent means the sides share an endpoint.
Which quadrilaterals are kites?
A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides.
Which quadrilaterals are parallelograms?
A rhombus is a parallelogram with four sides the same length.
Which quadrilateral are rhombuses?
A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles.
Which quadrilateral are rectangles?
A square is a parallelogram with four right angles and four sides of the same length.
Which quadrilaterals are squares?
Now you can pause the video and try your shot at the questions. Come back when you're ready.
For the first question, the answer is a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has at least one pair of parallel sides. Ask, which quadrilaterals are trapezoids? A, D, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Second question answer is a kite is a quadrilateral that has two separate adjacent pairs of equal length sides. Adjacent sides are two sides that have one endpoint in common. Ask, what quadrilaterals are kites? E, F, G, I, K, N, O, P. For the third question, the answer is a parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides. Ask, which quadrilaterals are parallelograms? A, F, I, J, K, L, N, O. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four sides the same length. Ask, which quadrilaterals are rhombuses? F, I, K, N, and O. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. Ask, which quadrilaterals are rectangles? F, I, J, and L. A square is a parallelogram with four right angles and four sides of the same length. Ask, which quadrilaterals are squares? F and I.
So the answers for the journal page, for problem 1, the sample answer is yes. Any quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides can be a parallelogram.
B, the answer is no, because you wouldn't be able to connect all four sides if all the angles were obtuse.
For C, the answer is trapezoid. I know that's kind of random, but that's the answer. For problem 3, the sample answer is the little shape right there.
Like a jet kind of shape.
Yeah.
And number 4 is a kite. Sample answer, a kite.
Alright, and then the practice problems are for A, it's 150.
For
B, it's 120. For C,
it's
480. And for D,
it's
420.
And that was our video lesson.
Hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you do good on the home link, and I hope you learned a lot. Bye.
Have a nice day.